Then he smiled.
Yes, of course, we are back. It is said that we wrestle not against flesh and blood. But here on Radio Biafra, here because of the issue of Biafra, we are wrestling against principality and powers. We are wrestling against flesh and blood. We are wrestling against our terms. We are wrestling Nanjoshi Nandiama. The wrestle arena is very wide. But of course, they will do what they have to do. And we will do what we ought to do. This is Radio Biafra Extra, continuing from where Yoruba Gota Media with Facebook have destroyed us, and then we continue from there. And so when we talk about Christmas, my people of Biafra, anywhere you are, Biafrans in Kogi State, Biafrans in Idoma. Now let me pass a message to Biafrans in Kogi State. Biafrans in Kogi State, you people are killing yourself. They have paid some of you to be burning your community down so that they can put more barracks there, so that the people stealing alone aluminium from Kogi, those Kogi in Anambra and Kogi in Kogi State, your people get what is happening. Kogi, Biafrans in Edo State, Biafrans in Kogi State, Biafrans in Benue State, Biafrans in Cross River State. Of course, all of you are Biafrans. Like I have said before, Ebonyi State, Enugu State, Anambra State, Imo State, Abia State, Delta State, Bayelsa State, River State, all of you wake up. The enemy has surrounded us. You do not go to bed. Imagine Facebook with all the money he's making, most especially from Biafra. He can collect some oil stolen money to be cutting us off. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But of course we must continue. We are still here. At this moment, our lines are open. Please call us and tell us what Nigerians are doing in your community, because there is Christmas. Because this is the time for them to forget about. They told you, oh, we have stopped checking point. It's a lie. There is more checking point. They have fixed price for money they collect. Those of you there, whatever torment they are giving to you, let us know for record purposes. Of course, at this moment, our lines are open. You are a Biafran, you are here to join IPOB. May the Lord be with you. That is all I can tell you. Our WhatsApp line is open. Send us your data. No matter your location in the world, you will meet us there. But we must come together. We must form one impenetrable unit. We will chase these people out of our land. For in the end, we do not know who they are. Until British need to steal oil on notice, they created this evil called Nigeria. Everybody must go back home. You are a Biafran, you are still saying, oh, we are the Ijotarian, we are the Akwa Ibatarian, we are the Ogonitarian, we are the Igbotarian. Me, I am an Aboitarian, oh, you are the Benuetarian, you are the Ghanaian. Wake up! Wake up! Because nobody will save us until we save ourselves. Send your details to this WhatsApp number, your phone number. Our coordinators around the globe are there to we just want one thing. One day we shall decree a thing and it shall come to pass. They are buying weapon, military hardware, military software, AK-47, nuclear weapon. Nigeria is telling us, oh, we are afraid they are going to shoot nuclear. It doesn't concern us. It does not concern us. What we know is that Nigeria must disintegrate. The territorial integrity of Nigeria have been placed to test, and it will not hold the winter. Don't let anybody deceive you. That is what they normally say. We will harass them, we will treat them, we will handle them. They are our boys, they are our children. The language is changing. The language is changing. Oh, I'm Igbo, I'm not Biafran. I'm Abo, I'm not Biafran. I'm Akwa Ibom, I'm not Biafran. That is your business. Yoruba will say, Wolo call me. That is your business. But we are Biafrans, and we are Biafrans, and we remain Biafran, and we shall be Biafran, and nothing more, nothing less. Send your phone number. Send your location and your name to the WhatsApp number I'm about to call. 070 815 456 42. 070 815 456 42. There are people who are calling themselves different name, giving you form to fill on WhatsApp group. They come with different name. Igbo International, Igbo Love Themselves, Igbo Menahu or Menaha. They are asking you detailed questions that will enable DSS to arrest you. If you find yourself in any forum where they are asking you of your father name, your media name, your automatic name, your button name, your sideline name, your river name, are you a member of IPOB? Please get out from there. And all those idiots who are collecting the data of our people for DSS and WhatsApp forum, I will play all your audio very soon on Radio Biafra if you don't stop it. I will play all your audio for the whole world to see what you are doing. Some of you are still Biafrans. Maybe you are misguided fellows. Stop that. Nobody collects data for IPOB without authorization from the leadership. And so those of you selling out our people, you are in for a deep trouble you don't know. And anybody sending any data, if your coordinator asks you for data, ensure that your coordinator have that authorization from the leadership. Without that, you're giving your data to anybody on one WhatsApp group or Facebook group or your state for you. This is Radio Biafra. And not just that I'm a member of the GOS, I am the African Rep and Nigerian National Coordinator, at least in this moment till I'm removed. And so anybody in Africa giving out your number to any idiot because you want to be a genuine member, you don't be a genuine member in those WhatsApp forums. I just gave you Radio Biafra Extra WhatsApp forum. And when I break the rule of IPOB, our leader or the deputy will be here on air to tell you never to respond to that WhatsApp any longer because it will be shut down. And now you know the truth. And so if you have done that before, may the Lord have mercy upon you. Like I said, send all the details to that WhatsApp line. And of course, at this moment, our lines are open. That WhatsApp line is open for you to call in. Our direct line is 081 221 529. I repeat again, our direct line is 081 221 52971. And the special number for the female is 081 288 58614. Special number for the female 081 288 58614. And of course, like I said, our lines are open. You call in and tell us what is happening in your area. Tell us what is happening. Because this is the time they think they can kill us secretly and walk away with it. But Radio Biafra is here to expose them. Let the world know who they really are. What they are really doing to us. Whether they respond or they don't respond, the truth cannot be overemphasized. Nigeria must be destroyed. There is no two ways about it. And Biafra must be restored. Don't let anybody deceive you. We are Biafrans and will remain so. Yes, a caller on the line. Can you hear me? Hold on, caller on the line. Having one or two issues. Just give me some time. Yes, a caller on the line. Are you there?
Hello, my friend.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please. Your name and where are you calling from?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Go ahead, please.
Esim obe na muku nde funani nde cho ino leba.
Go ahead. What are they doing in your community? Tell us, Biafrans are listening. So when they bring Nama to eat your crops, what do? You give them palm wine?
Hello?
Are you still there?
Hello, sir.
Go ahead. What do you do when they come and use cow, Nama, to destroy your farm? What do? You don't give them Christmas present?
I'm one woman making my case out.
So when they come to destroy your farm, please give them Christmas present. Show them love. They need love because that is what we represent. Thank you very much. Are you there, caller on the line?
No. Hello, sir.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Okay. I'm Mrs. Ukemo. I'm calling from Aba province.
Go ahead, please.
I thank you for your good work, sir. I pray that Jehovah God will protect and safeguard you and our director, even all the IPOP across the world. I pray that God Almighty will grant us our intention and we will see Biafra in the name of Yahweh Yeshua.
Thank you very much. We must continue.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, a caller on the line. Your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line. Your name and where are you calling from? Good evening from here, Monitoring Spirit.
Happy Biafra in advance. Biafra is all over the world. I sing this Christmas song, which is Biafra song for you today. Amoro anyị onye nzọpụtaye Nnamdi Kanu n'ala Biafra amụrụ anyị onye nzọpụtaye Nnamdi Kanu n'ala Biafra all over the world. May Chukwu bless each and every one of us. Real Biafra. I'm not talking about bastard blood. How did I become? More than you know, Biafra. We are Biafra. Simple. We are a race on this planet Earth, occupying the land of Biafra, which is the land of Chukwokika Biama. Simple. No other God except Chukwokika Biama. That God that we answered his name. That God that the Kanu said, the only name that we use and go to this war that is about to come. Only that name we say was, which is Chukwokika Biama. And anybody on this planet Earth who take any evil, no matter wherever you may come from on this planet Earth, whether in America, whether in India, whether in Britain, any part of this world, shut up. You cannot bear my sister. He is your savior. All these things you people are doing is just nonsense. We are going home. No Jupiter. Every Biafran all over the world, take it. If you don't have anything to defend yourself, you can be able to acquire knife, sharp it front and back and to the point, and keep it at the other. Don't kill anybody. Just relax. Just keep calm. our leader will make a statement very soon. He knows the right time. And Trump, you are a father to me. Just relax. You are there as assignment from the most practical to catch and nobody will remove it down. You are there to make sure that as you declare Jerusalem, that is how you do it. That is what will make your name forever and ever to be remembered. This is your opportunity to make that. You know you are a very strong man. I love you. You are not a coward. They are just panicking. The Muslims want to rule the world. I cannot do it. Let them come cannibal to go to Biafra, to go to Biafra. I know now. One man I will use my own hanky to clean your shoe. You are. I don't know what to call it. Biafra don't know what they have. My son is going to be. He has to make a reputation. Yes, tell them not the family. Yes, to them now raw. They have to share them some. The Father, Exodus chapter 20. The commandment. Come to verse 22. If you want to worship me, build an altar of the Join modern now for Mabu, the Mabu, when we can get more from. What is the I want to do? I want to do. But I do my journey back. But I do for Biafra. Say so, therefore, I am new time. But then that people I don't know. Oh my God! That's the other do. That's what I want to one is you can't get a new one. But I
You see, thank you very much. The truth cannot be overemphasized. The truth cannot be. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yes. Good evening, my rep.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Good evening, Biafran lovers of freedom all over the world. My name is Joy Wombo. I'm from Obingwa in Abia State, Biafran province. I'm calling you tonight from Cross River State, Ekon province. Please, my rep, permit me to acknowledge Chukwu Kabiama for the gift of life we have given to our leader, Martin Andekano, his deputy, Uchenefo, and you, our African rep, and all the hardcore members and officers working assiduously to restore this Biafra. As a Chukwu Kabiama continue to protect you people, continue to guide you, continue to be with you all until Biafra come. In the name of Chukwu Kabiama, I pray.
See, we must continue. Our people must understand. Wherever you are in Biafra land, you see the zoo misbehaving around your territory, around your corner, please let us know. We are documenting their stupidity. We are documenting their evil. Please let us know. That is why we are here. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
Good evening, this is Abuba from London.
Go ahead, my brother. Good evening from here.
Nice to hear from you. Yeah, you're back, yes?
Yes, God is faithful.
You're talking about Donald Trump. I want to let you know that I personally am not a fan of Donald Trump, yes? But I am very, very offended with his attitude, you know, although I wasn't expecting anything from white people because I know who they are. I know they are very racist, but I don't really care because racism is very good. You understand, on my own side, if you are not racist, I will see you as my friend, but when you are racist, I know who you are. I was expecting Donald Trump to say sorry to, you know, at least speak out in regard to the people that is slaughtered by these jihadist Fulani people. But whether he speak, he did not speak. Benjamin Netanyahu is supposed to know that his own people have suffered. Even we Biafrans are suffering more than what their own people
We have suffered more than the Jewish. Just that they don't want to talk about it. But sorry for coming in between your conversation. That of Donald Trump, you see, we are all entitled to our opinion. Honestly, I would say I may not agree with all his way, but I like him anyway. But then he behaves like an idiot, but he's not an idiot. The world has conspired for so long to delete Israel from the map. George Bush and other presidents, his predecessors before him, couldn't declare Jerusalem the capital of Israel that is recognized in heaven and on earth. Maybe he's not the man that is ordained to declare Biafra, but Biafra must be declared. That is one undeniable fact and truth. All of them must embrace in the end. But every one of us must express ourselves how we view things, because in the end, they will do the counter. Sorry for interrupting you, like I said. Go ahead, please, my brother.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, so I was expecting the Benjamin Netanyahu to speak something about Biafra, because on my own side, if he doesn't speak about it, which means he is frightened of Fulani people, and we Biafra, we will not care of anybody. I know that white people are very jealous of proper African people, and the coming of Biafra is something that frightens them. I want to let them know that all this while, for the past 70 years, they have been deceiving people, locking black people up in the prison, bringing visa and bringing a lot of a lot of stuff. And no any black man have ever challenged them. We want to let them know that Biafra is here to do business. We don't care about anybody. If you want to recognize us, you recognize us. If you don't want, it's your problem. I would have even wanted Biafra to be declared. Anybody who want to do business with us, you do business with us. You don't want, you go. Africa is shaking. Africa is not banned. Black people is not banned. This one people that are here making every sort of law to keep black people down. And we black people, especially Biafran politicians, who didn't know that the world is waiting for them to rise up to help their own people to grow. Biafran politician is serving the Fulani people. This is madness. This is madness. It's not like they did this for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. This is year upon year upon year, and up till now, they haven't rise up. I haven't seen a Biafran who wake up and say, why should an Igbo man go to prison? Why don't they have been looting and stealing and we're taking his 9/11 and slaughtering people in the Otiweka, in the bridge? Up to today, Igbo people haven't stand up and say, how dare them go should be rich and you are poor? What are the Fulani people contributed in this planet? What have they contributed? They make money from you because you're stupid. And up to today, you're still calling Nigeria. Today, Fulani is still in your camp. You don't know what to do. Judge Oniba, I know you're a Christian. Please, permit me to say on my own side. Because different sorts can chop. Abroad will be 1 million, and you know 1 million of us.
Do they say Christians? Do they say Christians don't go? Did they say Christians don't go? Christians go. Anyhow, I na go. I'm reverend. I na go. Jejundi Yoruba. I na go. Don't say it as if you are saying something. I na go. I'm Reverend George Onibe. I na go. High priest of Abeno Babe, Narochuku, Moawo, deputy high priest. I na go. We don't hide ourselves. Igwogo, Kejebo. To send the message across to Biafrans. Those who can understand, let them understand. Those who cannot understand, let them remain there.
Yeah, please, on this particular people now, we need to embrace them because
Ogomo, Ichoi Guam na Chineke abụrụ Ichoi Guam na Chineke abụrụ mmụọ. Anyị na-agwọ Chineke bụ mmụọ. Oke mmụọ chi anyị na-efe bụ oke mmụọ. Ahụ m ọgọ mmụọ n'ihi na Chineke bụ ọgọ mmụọ. What are we not saying here? Who is going to applaud us for not saying the truth? Go ahead, please, my brother. Sorry for interrupting you. I love you coming in, my brother. When you call, tell us what is going on. Be free. Let's tell ourselves the truth because this is all that we have and it will save us in the end. Ada, good evening from here. Go ahead, please. Your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, this is one I'm calling from Aba.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, my brother, I have the information, as you said, that everybody should report whatever that is happening in Biafra land. Somebody called and brought one information like that from Mbano Uguri. He said the Jew people, there are some group of people claiming that they are RPOBs. They said they should come and register the young ladies and the young ladies, that all of them should register, that they are going to give them a free. Hello? Yeah, they said they are going to give them a loan, that everybody should release his or her data and the account number, and the girl have finished. It's like the Ugri people have finished. It's like they chartered the bus to attack Ikeduru in Imo State. One of them decided, or the father decided, to call us and to find out whether there is something like that is happening in RPOB. So you have to tell the person that you people, there's nothing like that. How can IPOB people will be telling people to come and register? They are going to give them free loan with that collateral. So all of them, the man started shouting that people that went for that very particular event was much. The bus was about 8 or 9 buses that went to attack Ikeduru, and now they are in Ikeduru. Registering some people in the name of IPOB. I don't know why they are doing all these things. And another thing is this. There is this video that I watch on WhatsApp. The man called Buhari, the dead Buhari, that is still on seat. He said he has closed the border, but he's opening jihadis, opening border for jihadis, for them to come down here and kill the Christians, more especially the Igbos. So there are more than 6,000 jihadis entering our country without visa or any passport.
This is Christmas period, and we celebrate Christmas. We love to show love. Please show Fulani herdsmen love. They want to take our land. Give them land. Give them land. Is that not what they want? Give them land. The same way they come in. The Bible says they shall come in one way and they will flee in 7 directions. We keep telling them, when these people will evacuate our land, but of course, those who will listen will understand. They are deceiving us. They say that the battle they prefer for the cripple don't die inside it. But of course, our people are listening.
My brother, last week I traveled from Aba here to Imo State. If you see a policeman, army people, navy, hey, before I could get to work, it was the journey started around after either 10 minutes past 7. I just went to I just got to work by 9 o'clock. It was hell. So, and they have started searching people, asking for when they see the rice, when they see bag of rice, they will not choke from the rice and find out whether it's foreign. If it is foreign, they will carry it. If you insist that they should not carry it, they will now arrest you. But when they carry it, tell me, are they going to burn it? They are going to eat it as well. But they will seize it and said they said nobody should go with rice here and there, that you have to eat Nigerian rice. They are not stealing by tricks. So, my brother,
thank you very much. We must continue, and thank you for bringing the update to our doorstep. Caller on WhatsApp, are you still there? Thank you for holding on. Go ahead, hello. Please. The world is listening.
I'm there. I'm here.
Go ahead, please.
Okay. Is this Mr. Onyibe?
Yes, you are on to George Onyibe, and this is Radio Biafra Extra. You are on live broadcast. Go ahead, please. The world is listening.
Okay. My name is Nemeka. Anyway, you understand. So, I'm from Imo State. I'm calling from Indonesia. Hello?
Yes, go ahead. The world is listening.
There is a kind of information I want to deliver to our people. You know, see this thing that Fulani people are doing. Yeah, let me tell you something. This thing is organized something right from the Asia. You understand? Because if you can remember those ISIS and Kamso and Igbo, because Achorum ka ndị nọkwa ebe because obodo ndị isi ala ka nọ.
Go ahead. Nwezi adi funamba gawa n'iru.
So in na-ekwu bụ ndị obodo a ndị that ihe na-afụ na ndị isi ala na-eme na actually cover the whole world. You know, thing that we get now. Listen to me carefully. Those ISIS and the ISIL, Jihad, and Al-Qaeda and all these things. All those people can work here. Ihe map go out. Ebe achogodi ndị achi can conquer first. Who those world powers? Russia and America. On interview one of the ISIS man. And we interview abroad interview na the press meeting here. Ebehano. Julia say, what about African context? You understand? Now when any this in the same African countries so small this na have problem when they in charge of that place. From North Africans. Yeah, now we're gonna from North Africans. Libya in Africa, Libya, Morocco, not even Egypt. Egypt, they are not involved.
You see,
Libya, Morocco.
You see, and why we are very happy for all of them is that because of the issue of Biafra, the world is on trial. Libya will tell us what they have done with the black Libyans. If people do not know that Libya are two races there, they will tell us what has happened to the black Libya. You see, they will have to upset the balance. Nigeria has to initiate the state of anarchy. These people don't know what is coming. It is our people we are talking to. They have planned heaven and earth. They have vowed and boasted that they've been in the mountain of God. They said they will take over leadership from the creator of heaven and earth. They said they were there when he laid the foundation. We don't argue with them. Hey, go ahead.
Another one. If this Christianity now, this Adiboye na Lagos is working with it's working with them. That's why you will see not church in every angle of the state. Not church on every angle of the state. This is now to Biafra. They ignore it and everything. This is a serious case. Here a serious case. These people only have 3 years. 3 years to do all this. That's why they are doing everything possible. The whole close your own border. Their own border. Their own border has been open all this while for all these people to migrate from other places to that place. You know, not only that, how many people free this thing to everybody now? Now Libya can come in as a jihadist. Morocco will come in as a jihadist. Tunisia will come in. Even Saudi Arabia got there on a low key to strategize everything. You understand? So we need to tell. I need our people to wake up and be wise. And those people not any other country where opportunities to meet the big people of that place, they should do the same thing. Let them know what is going on. I'm quite this kind of this thing cheap now. Because sometimes more is so cheap when corner day. Much this
is Mamu Agade in charge of immigration. Nge deny gay passport. Confirm. Hadia Mamu.
Honestly, So if we are America and UK work 5 and 6 now bread and butter. Those people, if UK and America, they are any enemy of the world. If you don't know, those people who are enemy of Trump in Africa. Trump is against all these people. That's why Emmanuel name impeach is from Europe. Those people impeaching Trump now is the allies are from Europe because Trump shut them down, both from Europe, both from Africa and Asia. Trump shut their down because they are oppressing people a lot. And because of they know that they still give Trump more 4 years, they will lose all those people they are getting from inside.
Thank you very much.
Democrats are lunatics.
But we shall see to it.
So
thank you. We must continue.
So it's no opportunity broadcast people.
They will
about
know
this thing because this thing is on. This is what is going on. This is on
Thank you very much.
lane now. It's on the lane moving.
We must continue.
So ndị na esmen na-abata n'ala Igbo ịna-afụ na-abata n'ala Igbo, those people are not even a Nigerian.
Thank you very much.
Never be.
We will
those people
continue
are not
from
even
there.
herdsmen. Those people are.
Yes, a caller on the line. Your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line. When I tell you thank you, understand your time is up, and then for some reason you have to end up. When I tell you thank you, understand your time is up, and for some reason you have to step aside. Those of you in Biafra land, believe me, we understand what is going on. Do not hesitate to give us a report about what they are doing in your location. Our land is under military occupation. It's no longer news. It is not a news story. Fulani herdsmen are everywhere. They are coming from all over the world to take over our land. I want you to have a reflection. Those of you who saw this day before now, you witnessed Christmas, early 70s, or rather in the 70s or in the 80s and then early 90s, you will know it's not what we have today. Today, they build more checking points, they build more barracks, they cause more communal crisis. They've done everything they can do in order to make sure that under the guise of celebration, they kill the Christians. We, the Christians, they slaughter us and walk freely with it. But of course, we must document their action. That is why we are here. Oge meme boge umuchuku jangwelio. Oge meme boge umuchuku jangwelio. Ekwensu abata, ogbagara abata o. Onye neme meme ya po chukwu kika biama ko bia o. Don't let them deceive you. It's Christmas time. It's going to be Christmas. Not in Biafra land. It's not going to be. They are everywhere hunting our people down, taking advantage of what they think is our weakness. But we have to convert our weakness to strength. Anything they are doing in your location, the line is open. Don't let the spirit of the season take you over. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Mazi. Good evening, Mazi.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please. Your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, good evening, fellow Biafrans. My name is Ubimane Shibike. I'm calling from the state of Israel. Yes, Mazi, the season is here again, the Christmas season. But it's not what it used to be before anymore. Our lives are changing every day. Our situation is becoming from bad to worse. This is yet another season of extortion by the Fulani Nigerian police. Mazi, they now use ATM. They now use POS to extort our people. If you do not have cash.
We started saying it on Radio Biafra. Some people say it's propaganda. Not POS now. They are building ATM on checking point. They will say it's a propaganda until they launch it. They will tell you that EFCC is trying to monitor corruption on the highway. Our people will believe. But of course, they will listen. Makeneja buku mo ifu nyanya piamare. Go ahead, please.
Yes, Mazi, it is now very risky for our people to move around with their Android phone. Whenever they see your phone on checkpoint, they check your phone and they see your transaction. When they see that you have mobile app to do transaction, you are in problem. They will corner you. If you don't have your ATM, they will transfer your money for you to be free, for you to continue your traveling. If not so, they will delay you until you are agree to cooperate with them. But not only that, they are bringing their infected cows to poison our people. Mas, do you know that in our market now, Fulani people sell this sham they call a chere, 30 naira is what they used to sell it. Our traditional rulers washing them. Our traditional institutions are there washing them. If you escape them from the road and you get to your village, they will try to sell poison, sell a chere to people, and they use it to poison your fellow brother. Now our land has not been the same again. I'm advising our people that is going for Christmas.
If you notice, Mazi, the brother that called said he's calling on Ogomo to rise up and do the needful. He was actually apologizing and said, you are a pastor. You may not agree with what I'm saying. But he was appealing to Ogomos to come and do the needful. But I actually tried to make him understand that I am Ogomo. And now why I'm bringing that up is simple. The brother don't even know that here in Biafra land, they sell Ababet. They sell Achiri. Yoruba pastors even sell them. You come to their church, you challenge them, they sell madness for you. I know how many pastors that are mad today because they challenge their general overseer. Yoruba for that matter. Go and ask Martin of Fire, they know what I'm saying. Go and ask Redeem, you will know why their deputy is not talking. Go and ask Oyedepo, you will know that if Abioye does not have anointing of God, if he's a Muslim like them, we now will be destroyed today. The day we will open all their record, no, the earth will open up and swallow them. In fact, the earth will vomit them. That is why we are telling our people, leave Yoruba church, go to Igbo church. If they do you 419, we will know how to treat their stupidity. But you will lose totally when you wake up and see who these Yoruba pastors are. All of them, we will expose all of them. Nobody had under the guise of religion and deceive us. British deceive us enough. Go ahead and sorry for interrupting you.
Yes, Mazi, when you say it on Radio Biafra, people are doubting it. The first day I hear that they are selling Achere in our local market, I did not believe it until my uncle called me.
They even sell Brantashi, touch and follow.
Hi.
When you see, we talk now, when we open the land, as I always say, oh, the way they are sleeping with our women is not believing, but they are not raping all of them. Some are following them sheepishly because they are selling touch and follow. They order it. Hausa man in Port Harcourt will make a call to Hausa man in Oba Hausa Saba and tell him when you are coming, bring Brantashi for me. They are selling it. And we are there going to Yoruba church in 18, no Rukwa Jesu, idiots. Go ahead. Now, Peke we no medicine, call and vegetable.
How can our people survive all this in the name of us coming back to our own home to celebrate with our parents, to celebrate with our people? Then we are coming to our death. I don't know what to say, Mazi, but let our people be one. Let them be precautious so that we celebrate fine and go back to our various places.
Of course, we are praying very hard. Anybody that have left the place of their abode, as Biafrans to enter Biafra land, you come in peace and you will go in peace. Udo. Anybody that put eye for you will go blind. Any leg that waka jigi for you will be crippled. Go ahead, please.
The latest one now, our people that has money to drive good motors, they cannot drive again. If I told you in the road, you're driving a big motor, you're now a Yahoo boy. That is what we are facing. Let the world hear our voice. We are suffering. Thank you, Matt.
Of course, we must continue. The world knows what is going on, and I believe they will respond. It's a matter of time. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me? Caller on WhatsApp. But I will consider that as your epileptic network. We must continue. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening from here.
Mazi, I am very happy for calling Radio Biafra for the first time. May Shukwu bless you, sir.
And bless you too.
My name is Anayo Machuku. I'm calling you province. At that province from Ikeduru in Imo State, Biafra province.
Go ahead, my brother.
Thank you, Mazi. So, Mazi, I want to use the opportunity to greet our indomitable leader, Mazi Nandipana. Say, may the Lord, may the God of Shukwu start them and bless him. Guide him as he lead us to this promised land. We shall all see Biafra in the name of Yahweh. You see. And also you and all the Biafra principal working for this Biafra resurrection. May God be the strength of you all. In the name of Yahweh. You see. Mazi, I'm very happy for getting Radio Biafra for the first time. I am very, very happy. God bless you, Mazi. I don't have much to say. May God be your strength for this special gospel you have been preaching to everybody. And I'm letting all the Biafra all over this world, especially in Biafra land, for those who don't know what is going on. Sorry for that person. Truly checking to that person, if you check good things to that person is not really a Biafra person, because indeed that person meets up with Hausa and Marjorie. Marjorie, God bless you. Let everybody wake up, because these people want to turn us to Muslims. They want to turn us to Fulanis. But all that plans must surely be done to them. Thank you very much, Mazi. God bless you.
And bless you too.
God bless you, Mazi. I am very happy. Thank you.
Our people must understand this is festive period. This is festive period. A lot of atrocity is going on undercover in our land. Please open your eye. Those of you going for loan, the Islamic Bank have not come. If they buy you so cheap with loan without interest, what will happen when Islamic Bank will come? Loan with the head of your brother. Wake up. That money will take you nowhere. One signature from one of these idiots will crush all your bank accounts. Watch us Zokalo money being frozen. Watch other idiot Biafran serving Nigeria and watch their life made miserable by this Nigeria. Don't you people get what we are saying? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? Caller on the line, are you there? Good evening from here.
My name is Chimeze and from Enugu province. Mazi, I really appreciate you for what you do for us. I thank you massively. And I appreciate our leader when be Hamadike Biafra. Mazi, for what they talk about, the Fulani don't cover everywhere. Fulani day for our backyard, Fulani day for our front yard. But we went there for Biafra land, we take our eye, they see our move. My advice to our brothers when they come from Obodo Yibo, if they no fit stay for where they be, make sure say they stay until we get our 12-week state when we Biafra before we can come back and celebrate anything we want to celebrate. Man, if they come and beg, let the enter motor come back. Leave this their guy when they won't come to for village. Fulani don't cover everywhere. They made them stop to the east their sugar cane. They stop to the east their Aquawusa, Mazi, inside market, this bridge, you don't see what happens because Fulani don't cover everywhere. Now they come, they said the petty kings, now brothers and sisters, and they said inside market. And not the let us all see again, no. Now, I make all the even all the world people when they around or say, I said, if you don't do something like that, not the other side become meeting. And therefore, for Kunano, now so to cover everywhere. Now, if the guy want to go back for his shop, when you call to say every don't be covered, now he comes from their okay there. Okay, after the people shift to our wheelbarrow small, make it for better inside my shop patronize me. I'm a notice that themselves and I want to go to the battalion when they for a Kunano. I said the Congo soldier, so the Congo. He was a massacre. I thought that he was a room power doctor. Now you have got the young thing. Sometimes you say things. Soldiers they come outside from that about that. We don't see our questions. People are begging to wake up. To wake up and the fact that before they go come outside. Share another the rest and hold them. Now you have on the compound on that we can't reach the 50 years. Something like that for women. Come on.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Your line is not very clear again. I have to cut you. Your line is not very clear again, but then we must continue. Biafrans across the globe, understand. This is a festive period, but we want you to be more careful and study how these people are operating in our land. In most cases, they don't come out violently. They sneak in and they commit mayhem. And you won't see them coming. But the leg where they waka pum 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 is seen by the eye where they watch chum chum chum. It's simple. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, can you hear me? Of course, it's not there. And so our people must understand there is need for every one of us to get ready, because the end is almost here. Caller, what's up your name and where are you calling from?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
Good evening.
Good evening. This is female line. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Caller on WhatsApp, your name and where are you calling from?
Master George Onibe, good evening, my own blood brother. Good evening.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
May God bless you, my brother. I have been calling you since you started broadcasting. Today is a remarkable day. I'm going to jot it down. That was how I got to Chemofo on the Easter Monday of 2016. That was the first time I called Radio Biafra to speak on Radio Biafra. Today too is a remarkable day. I've been calling 1,000 times and it has not been going. Master George Onibe, there's so many topics that I have been talking about and I want people to speak on, but I've not been getting you online. But this issue of back to our roots is very, very important issue. I remember in 2015 when our leader was on broadcast before he was arrested. That was when the Oni of Ife died. The Oni of Ife died in 2015 before the new one came in. In that broadcast that day, our leader was telling us about how the Yorubas are preserving their culture. And when they come to our side, they will destroy our own culture. When that Oni of Ife died, there was a story our leader told us. He said that in any Ife, any Oni, is what they call 30. And that 30 is like a 10% man to the Oni. And if the Oni died, the 30 must go down with the Oni. And this last Oni that died in 2015, the 30 ran away. And they were looking for him. And if they didn't get that guy, the Oni will not be buried. And later they got him. And why I'm saying this thing is, what I learned from that thing that our leader told us is this. When these things were happening, all these Yoruba pastors were there. And none of them was speaking out. And none of them was talking about this issue of tradition of only being going down with the 30. And when it comes to Biafra land, we have trees. We have things. In the ancient days, my grandfather told me so many things that if a woman is having bad issue, there is a tree, they will go, they will cut the tree, they will cut the leaf, they will cook it, and the woman will take care. Then there was nothing like all this white medication. And these things are happening. All these so-called Yoruba pastors are there, and they never condemn it. And the way they told us in 2015 that each and every one of them that is all these their pastors and so-called man of God that are seeing God every day, all of them are key to this tradition they are observing in their area. But when they come here, they will say, no, this tree is an evil tree, and they will cut it, and people will jump up, they will bring this one down, they will bring this one down. They have destroyed every damn thing. Remember what happened when the Fulani herdsmen now, I think that was in Ondo and Osun State, thunderstruck and killed their cows. And when thunderstruck and killed their cows, is it not the spirit of the land that they evoke that kill these cows? Or look at our own side, because they know that these things are what that is going to make us powerful, will make us great. They come in the name of church, they come in the name of Christianity to destroy all what we have. Thank God I've gotten you today. I have so much to say, but let me just give way. But there's one of my brothers that called today, and my name is Chukwuemeka. I didn't say my name is Chukwuemeka. I hear from Ikedro. And somebody called from Ikedro. That is where my area is. Please, our people, I want our people to be calling. Even I'm looking for a way to get my coordinator. When I travel for this Christmas, I'm going for New Year, I will try to get the Ikedro. Let's see how we can make this work. This radio is not working in Ikedro. Each time I go home, I know how difficult it takes me to, although I have satellites, but I know how difficult it's taking me to be able to convince them, because one, the radio is not talking. So I want people of Ikedro, thank God people are coming from Imo State. Before, it was people that betrayed us. I cried and wept when people that made me to enter Biafra betrayed us. The people that studied in the Cambridge, the people that studied in the engineering companies and the barristers and all the rest of them. But I thank God people from there are coming up now. Please, my brothers from Ikedro, if you are from Ata, if you are from Ihu, if you are from Umudim, if you are from Ngugo, if you are from Ilyushi, if you are from Amimu, all of them, let's see how we can galvanize and put our own radio. Thank you. God bless you, my brother.
Thank you.
May your days be long.
Our God is faithful. The same to you. Biafrans everywhere you are, all over the world. Understand what we are asking for is not too much. What we are asking for is simple. We want to go home. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. But he said we will not go home. And then it looks like a challenge. But let's see how it ends. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on the line. Yes, a caller on WhatsApp, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? And of course, it's amazing. Some people will call and then I begin to wonder, what are they listening to? Yes, a caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Mazi God bless you. This is Collins, calling from Hamburg, Germany.
Good evening, my brother. Go ahead, please.
My Lord, may God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, sir.
Our Lord is in USA. Go ahead, please.
My director.
Our director is in USA.
God bless you, sir. I'm very, very excited. My God. Anytime you know they're online, please make you they send us, even if only your voice. Say hello, and then you go out. You go like. Mazi, I just want to use the opportunity to thank you. I appreciate all Biafrans all over the world. I appreciate them all over the world. I went to Biafra land and I come back peacefully. I really appreciate the land of Biafra. I'm very grateful to be an IPOB member. I'm very grateful to be a member of, that is indigenous people of Biafra. I'm very proud. I'm very proud. Mazi, I have a little song to give. I have a little song to give. Iga nolumbawe eke keroa. Iga nolunamde bawe. Iga nolumbawe eke keroa. Ikwere nande nkwaniwe. Iga nolunamde bawe eke keroa. Ikwere nande nkwaniwe. Ahani bụ Biafra. Ịgagha n'olu mgbanwe eke kere ụwa. Ịgagha n'olu Nnamdi gbanwe. Ikwere Nnamdi nkwa. Ịgagha n'olu ya gbanwe eke kere ụwa. Ahani bụ Biafra. God bless King. Mazi.
Thank you very much, Mazi Collins.
I appreciate.
Yes, caller on the line, Efi. How are you from here? Good evening.
Good evening, Mazi. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Mazi Jojo Nimbe.
Go ahead.
We're very happy to hear from you this evening.
Thank you.
May God Almighty continue to strengthen you for us. We say, good evening, fellow Biafrans all over the world, lovers of freedom and people of goodwill. Mazi, to wetin we dey discuss this very evening, so you know, say as Biafrans wey we be, truth dey run through our vein. We know dey see fowl woman, we dey call am cow. We know difference between bad and good. No matter how good wey any human being go be for this life, no matter how bad wey e go be, now we only
we know they call for referendum for front, but for back we dey fight for one Nigeria. We know they do am.
Yeah, we know they
go, my sister.
We there for the truth and for the truth. Even as today, so we have to tell our people. Some people they misunderstand when you say you love person or you dey support person. They differentiate them from say you dey support person because say you need the person help. No. For this man for USA, this Donald Trump, so the support and the love we dey show, and not be say we dey expect say that Donald Trump now come give us Biafra. We dey do wetin we dey do because we dey see some element of truth for that man body. Wetin history of wetin many people don't use to do a campaign. Come on. This man come, he all he promises when he talk.
He no use and do campaign, but he do am. Since them born me, I dey hear Jerusalem will be capital of Israel. Jerusalem will be capital of Israel. But we dey read that for Bible. Jerusalem are the capital. Nobody, George Bush, Hillary Clinton, Theresa May, all the people who don't rule America, nobody fit do am. Now he can't do am.
Now he can't do am. And second thing now. He put in people first, just like when we talk Biafra first. In anything that we are doing, Biafra first. Anything when you want to do, put Biafra first. Let's consider Biafra first before you think, before you do Biafra first. He put America first. So anybody will put the people first. Now better person. Not only bastard picking or picking will not get blood like wait till be this man Obama wey come on. I go cause you know go put the people first. But you won't go to do message when they not send her like what they can do for the zoo where put everybody in a deeper mess all day today. So we dey support good thing as Biafran. home and abroad, even at the point of death, we say it as it is. Now our nature will not change them. We not support anybody because of anybody is coming to help us. We do it for the right thing for nation for you to do. Now be that one. I urge every Biafrans all over the world. Not believe saying anybody won't do restore Biafra for us. Now me and you collectively go work together to say restore Biafra. Now let Biafra go fit save us. Put Biafra first. Anything where you do, put Biafra first. Reject the identity of zoo. Anywhere where you dey, reject them. Home and abroad, reject them. Man die but one. It's better for you to die a hero or die when you fight than you say you die when you no go fight. You are not a slave. All humans are born equal. You're not supposed to be under your own fellow human being that they control, they segregate you, they do all manner of things to you. While you sit there, you do nothing. Nobody is coming to help you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my sister. We must continue. Yes, a caller on the line. Are you there? Caller on the line. Caller, WhatsApp, hold on for me.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
My name is Chijoko Wakwe. I call from Aban. And my Chichuku Kikabi and Magozi, and I am sure. Mazo Yibe, you know, Abeba, all on the Joyanya. Thank you, I look belebe. Since 2003, Batra Lubuda, either 3 days ago, even Abanyere 3 days ago, even though I was conquer that place. Even all the surprise, came with 2003, but they will one of them there now go if we shoe. They now do shoe. How conquer that place? All the surprise. What goes on shooter? It can get that place. I will move now. What I know, everything he shoe. I didn't have a patrol that place. Even though today I can show plaza, then the shoe. Even though I was conquer that place. Mandina if we borrow now parking here, even the we borrow my bush up. Mandina do head what do I conquer that place? You care for them. Say, let have a school over there. If you're not there, Joshua, I conquer that place. Still, if you're part of a airline go to Bakase, how about that place? The thing becomes surprising. Say, I'm there in Abara. Many villages you see in that place.
There is an advice our elders used to give. They say when the elders see and talk and the youth refuse to listen, do you know what will happen to that youth? Do you understand that parable? Let me rephrase it. It say when you talk, the ear will hear and refuse to obey. When they are cutting the head, both the ears and the head will go down. We are doing our job. Oh God, that I believe. Our people, we are telling you, wake up. Whether you like it or not, these people are on the heels of Biafra. But of course, we are not running. We oblige them. We welcome them. All Fulani all over the world. Please come home. Come to Biafra land and conquer. You are born to rule. Come and rule us. We have been waiting for rulers like you all this while. But it's as simple as that. We've not preached another gospel. We don't want to conquer Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani. But they want to conquer us. Please conquer us. Come and conquer us. And then from the ashes of Biafra that is left, a new nation will emerge. A new generation will emerge. Go ahead, please.
When you know what I gave my eye, we know what I him. I told you when you ain't gonna your chance. Either no, again, I got it pop or I'm make a when you say Mazan Nande Carlo, Yajishike, like we are Nuku. When you know what I gave my eye, even though you know what I know what I sign me, I gave me. Or trouble shy, I would me, I gave me. And I'm a stupid cabia, my goes you. Oh, woman. na-ekwesị ụlọ nkwa ike na enweghị ga-emere anyị ala azụ ihe ọ bụla ụlọ anyị mee anyị ga-eme ya ana m asị onye nwanyị n'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma.
See, thank you very much. We must continue. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Yes.
Thank you for holding on. Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Thank you, my brother George Onibe, my African rep, the only hope, the man that stands for us.
No, not the only hope. It's not even part of the hope.
I'm telling you the fact. My name is Kinsley Otri. I can never stand here and give you Biafra. You are the one that are going to give us Biafra. Down there, not those ones in America or Jamaica. I'm telling you, my name is Kinsley Otri. I thank our leader, Ohamadike. Thank God. I say if it's assuming that Tupac and Notorious B.I.G. is alive, this man for settle their case, they for not shoot themselves. What is going on in America? It shows me that the man is a wisdom man, honestly speaking. He's a great man indeed, my dear brother. I was shocked yesterday. Rainfall yesterday was fall into both Biafra and International. But I hope all is well. All is well. All is well. Let him keep it on. That $1 they give into America. Please, I'm not talking about other people of Morocco. I'm ready here. I'm ready. Oh, here I am. All 10 dirham call is not in every month. It's I add it into my monthly. That's all. Nothing more. That is it. Anything possible we must do. Even to be paying him every month, including all of you that are coming out in radio. We are ready, honestly speaking. That is a joyful movement, honestly. I thank all of you, both the coordinators and other ones. Keep on one mind. And when there's nothing, we move to Gragara. If you talk of that Gragara, I myself, I don't do it fast, both home and abroad. That is who I am, including here I am. That is me. When looking of your word, people will understand you are a wisdom person. That is why every day I call you, I give you that honor. You are the hope. All of you down there in the Biafran land is hope we have. Nothing more. I thank all of you for what is going on. But for those who their leg inside one Nigeria, one leg in IPOB, be careful and know yourself. There is that way can never solve. It can never help us. Be completed IPOB or you remain as a Zoom, dead body, honestly speaking. You know, when they talk about these people who have been invading our land small with the sugarcane and other things, they will be doing it, coming out in large number to occupy our land. Immediately they occupy the land, they now giving their order. Nothing more. Nothing more. It can be any other thing. So any day, if see them in blocking road of that they are praying, don't fight them. Bring them out there. Get boys who are going to be dealing with these guys just in a neutral way, not in the harming way. That's all. They should know that they come into somebody's land. If you give them chance, then we do whatever they like. But if you don't give them chance, they will know that they are foreigners. I can never block road here and start preaching Bible in this Morocco. They will stone me dead. Even police will not talk to me. Why these people are acting down such a thing in that our land and people keep quiet? It's gradually they are coming. Due to their investment and everything. There's nothing we can do. All we are going to do this year, go closer to the nearest IPOB and join. That is it.
How I wish they will understand. How I wish they will understand. When they are saying go to the nearest IPOB, they say, is it by force to join? But nobody's forcing you. Once has he spoken, and twice we have heard that power belongs to Chukwu Kikabiama. It's left for you.
They must go because we said that they have.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Of course, we are going home. Caller on the line. Your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line.
Hello.
Yes, good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Yes, I'm that man that always calls from Omaya.
Go ahead, Maze.
The man that told you that his daughter around 9 years old, I sent that music from. I don't know whether you have got it.
I have. Go ahead, please.
You got it.
I have.
Hello.
I have. Go ahead.
Okay. So please, I have information to give. Last week on Wednesday or Thursday, there are two Helios that was the class was visiting from Abuja direct. Some soldiers inside the vehicle and other nation they was loaded into that vehicle. Then they land at Amausa. Then the army people that is in Abai come and surrender that place. Then they did not allow any people to pass or even Keke to pass from there until they offload those things. And even the thing take almost 1 hour and day. So before they left there.
If I may ask, what do you suspect they must be offloading?
I believe that it was maybe more than other ammunition.
Gun, Abi? Not Holy Ghost fire, only gun and maybe bomb, small bomb or nuclear. They are hallucinating. We have been praying. Let them send more bomb. Let them send more K-47. Let them send more to Biafra land. This is prayer answered.
I wanted to pass from that place. Then the one soldier just checked me out.
No, it's okay. It's okay. At least you are observing it. And other people are observing it. And they understand that we said only the truth on this platform. But I'm sending a vibration across to them that they are the answer to our prayer. Biafra is the doom of Nigeria, and certainly we are their destiny. Everything they have planned against us will inevitably usher on the Biafra we seek for.
The next thing I want to say that our problem, what I'm observing, our problem is this, our Southeast politicians. Because if these people that are on our side, they would have do something that is Bazonia.
But that is their choice to make. Maybe they need more convincing. And you don't need to talk to them.
But I still thank God that the way things is now, or the way things are now, some of them are even blaming themselves.
But if you are observant, you will notice that the atmosphere has changed.
Yes.
No politician in Biafra land is coming out to yap any longer. Of course, after these brokers, let them come and yap. They are now using their tongue to count their teeth. Can't you notice the atmosphere?
I had information that is Dangote sent 500 tons east here to take his people up to north.
No. They need Ruga. The Ruga is there. Please come for Ruga. All the Fulani in Africa, please come to Biafra land. It's just 3 plots of land. Please come. It's Christmas time.
At least with that one alone, with that information alone, I'm sure that them the northern they know that something is about to happen.
Thank you very much.
Before doesn't agree on something, but now they are seeing the time that something is about to happen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And I will still send more of my music.
There is no problem. There is no problem. Thank you very much. Yes. Our people must understand. It's not about what we say. It's not about what they say. It's not about what they do. But it's about what will happen in the end. You know, I remember in those days, nobody will come out and speak against injustice because we are afraid of dying. But with all this fearing of dying, we're still dying. Nobody will come out and talk about terrorism and international criminals across the globe because they will sanction you. Now we are not sanctioned, but it would have been better if we were sanctioned. Not every country in the world subscribe to what they are doing in the United Nations. Do we come up here begin to talk about the history of the League of Nations? Not to talk about the United Nations, the EU, the AU, IU, QU, WU, whatever their name is. Call and WhatsApp, are you still there?
Yes, my rep. Thank you so much for bringing me back on this evening edition.
Go ahead, please.
Please, there is a lot of things that are going on right now in Cross River State, and it's unbelievable. You know that the zoo government give order that they have closed border and rice is a contraband. Do you know that custom officers in the zoo is the people now doing Yahoo Yahoo? I want to digress more on it.
EFCC is head of Yahoo Yahoo. When you hear Yahoo boy, it's EFCC, Economic and Financial Crime Commission. EFCC is the real Yahoo Yahoo boy, the real 419. I don't know why FBI is not pointing them out. You want to look for Yahoo Yahoo boy, it's EFCC. You want to look for the mafias of Nigeria, it's DSS. You want to look for the cultists, it's police, SARS. You want to look for the Boko Haram, it's Nigerian army. These things are glaring truth that all of them are seeing. They want us to call them their name, but we shall. Go ahead, please.
Sir, do you know that as I speak to you right now, you know this is a Christmas period where everybody want to like doing fast transaction and all that. And it happened that those people importing rice from the Cameroon border to come down here in Ikom, custom concocted officers in the zoo is seriously seizing the rice. And at the end of the day, when they seize this rice, they will remove their uniform and come back on mufti, holding their ID card, enter market in Ikom market, convincing people that they are dealing on rice to buy rice from them. And if you want to be sure, they will remove their ID card as a custom officer to show you. That means when you look at the ID card, you will be rest assured, this one is officer is telling me now, I am assurance have covered me. And at the end of the day, they will ask you how many bags of rice did you need. You arrange. If it is 100, if it is 200, if it is 50, as number as your money can buy, they will supply you that rice on mufti. Then the following morning, these same people will be on their uniform and reinforce. They will reinforce on their uniform and come back at the same market and begin to arrest people carrying the rice back that they are buying contraband. And your money will just go like that. Your money will just go like that. They will not take that rice back in the sense that they are seizing the rice. But they are the same people who sold that rice to you. In Ikom right now as I speak to you. That is how they have signed to be frustrating the life of Biafrans, the life of Igbos that are doing business. It can never be well with them. They are arresting Yahoo Yahoo, they are arresting 419, but they are the architects of armed robbery in the state. How can you be selling rice? It's custom office, are you dealing with rice? Then at the end of the day, you have sold the rice to an enterprise. At the end of the day, you will wear uniform and come back and carry the rice away. Then the money will just sweep away and nobody refunds your money back. That is what they are doing to people right now in Ikom. They are just frustrating people's life. So as I'm talking to you this night, I'm even giving warning to every Biafran. Wake up, stand up. Do not let these people deceive you. Do not let them deceive you again. Enough of all this their deceive attitude. Where? What? What have we done? Does it mean that we cannot live again? God forbid. We will live and Biafra will come. In the name of Chukwukeke Abiamazin. You see.
Thank you very much. The truth cannot be overemphasized. Biafrans in this mood, same mood of the festive period. Stay safe. Observe them. But in the end, we are here for one reason: Biafra restoration. No matter their strategy, no matter the pattern they want to use against us, we don't want to conquer them. We just want to exercise our right to self-determination. We're looking forward to that time where our brothers will come back home, where no one will accuse them of terrorism for using the name of their ancestors, which is Biafra. We're looking forward to that time. Everybody must hail Biafra. I don't think it's too much to ask for. Of course, I will be signing off. A few hours from now, we'll continue from where we stop. Remain focused, remain blessed. Above all, remain Biafra. Ndewonu. Ndewonu.
This is my song for freedom. They call me Chris Jokey. Even though I walk through the valley of shadow of death, I fear no evil, for still God that is always with me. Yeah, He's always with me. And the sun will rise. My brothers will be coming home. Yeah, we made it through the sun to home. We gave our blood to redeem our land, and the time is too late. So join me, let us get it now. Oh, happiness, we all rejoice. Yes, we are the children of God. I am talking about a holy land, yeah, where God will always reign, and the sun will shine again. So we the people rejoice, yeah, where no one will tell me, yeah, that my song is suicidal, that I will lose my life for singing songs, where there is freedom of speech. Mr. Mepho will remind us, yeah, that we are children of the Most High God. In Jerusalem we meet again, yeah, cause we are the children of God, and the sun will rise. My brothers will be coming home, yeah, we made it through the sun to home. We gave our blood to redeem our land, and no time is too late. So join me, let us get it now. Oh, happiness, we all rejoice. Yes, we are the children of God. We are praying for the moment, yeah, when heaven will come for us, and the world will talk about us, so no one else have to die. All this nation will respect us, yeah. Understand, we just wanna go back home. No amount of gun can stop the show, yeah, cause we all got possessed, and the spirit is in me. My director will return home, yeah. Show us love we used to do before. Beautiful faces I will see again, yeah. We need you, we miss you, and we wait on you. And the sun will rise. My brothers will be coming home, yeah. We made it through the sun to home. We gave our blood to redeem our land, and the time is too late. So join me, let us get it now. Oh, happiness, we all rejoice. Yes, we are the children of God. believe that. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. The storm will